I am always looking for delicious snack bars, and I've already tested one of these that I was gifted from Mezcla. These are their salted caramel chocolate bars, and they are amazing. These are plant-based. They have puffed quinoa. They have that caramel taste to them, that chocolate, and they give the most rewarding crunch. They are so good, and I love that they're vegan. They're also gluten-free, non-GMO, and they give to a really great cause as well. As Mezcla supports the Hunger Project, which is focused on providing global food security, so really amazing cause as well for such a delicious bar. And I really can't stop eating this. I'm gonna put it down. It is that good, but I wanna talk to the nutrition facts real quick because it has calcium in it, iron, potassium, but the main thing is that you do get 11 grams of protein per bar. So it's a nice protein hit. I would say that it does have some added sugars, and I don't like that it uses palm kernel oil. So not perfect across the board, but I have tried so many bars, and sometimes the cleanest bars are ones that I can't eat because they just don't hit that note. They don't give me that reward. They don't taste good enough. This tastes amazing and really gives me a lot in a really delicious bar. And I can't tell you what part of it I love the most. It might be the caramel. Of course, I love the chocolate, but that puff, that bite is fantastic. And the final piece is it feels really good to me to see that it's made in the USA and that it has all the certifications for the gluten-free and the non-GMO. They've really gone out of their way to make a really great product for a fantastic cause. So if you've been looking for a tasty snack bar that will actually help you get through the day, whether you have this for breakfast or at some other point during the day, definitely give Mezcla a try. They also come in a variety of flavors that I can't wait to try out as well. I hope this video helps.